Alrighty, so if you look here, we're going to do the same thing. We need to pick out our M, and we need to pick out our B. It doesn't matter which one you start with. As long as you have them written off to the side in the correct way, it'll probably make it easy. For this one, let's pick out our B first. Let's pick out our y-intercept. So where does this thick black line go through the y-axis at? +9, right here. So our B is going to be +9, and that actually can be one of our points, just like the one we just did in our notebook. That can be one of our points. So now we need to go through this black line, and we need to find where else does it touch corners. You guys are awesome at this. I've seen you do it. So that's not a corner. That is a corner. So if we take our thing and we go 1, 2 over 1, we could write that as just 2. Notice how this line goes down, which means what kind of 2 do I need to have that be? A negative. So our equation is always y equals mx plus b, right? So this would be y equals, in place of m, I would have -2x, and in place of b, I would have +9. That's it. All right, let's try another one. We want to start with our M and our B. So where does this black line touch the y-axis at? That's our B. This +7. So our B is going to be +7. And if it would help y'all, a strategy you could use is put that sign in front of the B. Then you would know exactly what the sign in front of the B in the equation needs to be. Whatever strategy works for y'all. You know I'm an advocate for strategies. As I go up this line, where else does it touch corners? Right here. So from here to here, I would go straight up 1 and right 1. So this would be 1 over 1, which could be written as just 1. As I go left to right, this graph goes up. So what kind of 1 does it stay? A positive. So again, y equals mx plus b. So y equals, what's going in place of m? 1x. What's going in place of b? 7. And again, notice how I have this +7 here, so then I have this +7 here. Again, it's just a strategy. Totally up to you. All right, let's try another one. This one's a little bit harder, right? This one has got all 4 quadrants, but it's fine. Y'all are good. So where does this line go through the y-axis at? Down here. So notice this isn't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative. This is negative 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is negative 50. Then our B, again, it doesn't matter where you go. If I start here, that's a no. That's a yes. So this would be 1, 2, which is 10, 20, over 10. 20 divided by 10 is 2. This line, as you go left to right, is what? Negative. So in our equation, y equals mx plus b. We would have y equals, in place of m, would be -2, and then x, and -50.